A position paper is an essay that presents an arguable opinion about an issue, typically that of the author or some specified entity. Position papers are published in academia, in politics, in law and other domains. The goal of a position paper is to convince the audience that the opinion presented is valid and worth listening to. Ideas for position papers that one is considering need to be carefully examined when choosing a topic, developing an argument, and organizing the paper. Position papers range from the simplest format of a letter to the editor through to the most complex in the form of an academic position paper. Position papers are also used by large organizations to make public the official beliefs and recommendations of the group. In academia, position papers in academia enable discussion on emerging topics without the experimentation and original research normally present in an academic paper. Commonly, such a document will substantiate the opinions or positions put forward with evidence from an extensive objective discussion of the topic. In politics, position papers are most useful in contexts where a detailed comprehension of another entity's views is important. As such, they are commonly used by political campaigns, government organizations, in the diplomatic world, and in efforts to change values, e.g. through public service announcements and organizational branding. They are also an important part of the Model United Nations process and are used in the European Union. In government, a position paper lies on somewhere between a white paper and a green paper, in that they affirm definite opinions and propose solutions, but may not go so far as detailing specific plans for implementation. In law, in international law, the term for a position paper is aide-memoire. An aide-memoire is memorandum setting forth the minor points of a proposed discussion or disagreement, used especially in undiplomatic communications. Notes. References. Bond, Michelle T., September 14, 1998, Public Diplomacy, Defense Technical Information Center. Newsom, Doug. Haynes, Jim, 2004, Public Relations Writing, Form and Style, Thomson Wadsworth, ISBN 0-534-61296-2. Sanders, Marianne, Tinglu, André, Verhulst, Hans, 2005, Advanced Writing in English, A Guide for Dutch Authors, Coronet Books Incorporated, ISBN 90-53-5761-2. Steele, Mel, 2000, The Gentleman from Georgia. The Biography of Newt Gingrich, Mercer University Press, ISBN 0-86554-671-1. External links. Writing a Position Paper, University of Hawaii, West Oahu, archived from the original on March 16, 2007, retrieved 2008-08-25. Sample Position Paper, United Nations Association of the United States of America, archived from the original on April 10, 2008, retrieved 2008-08-25.